This is for hello, because we're Thirsty DIY. Today we're gonna be opening some boxes. We're actually on stream right now, link right there. So we're gonna be opening some boxes. I think I got 10 keys, and we're gonna see if degenerate gambling works out.
Oh, Flip gave out 5 gifted right there too.
Woo!
Thank
Hand
you,
off
Flip.
my-
The worst part is I know what's gonna happen.
I did not.
He's gonna get the 10, and then he's gonna get something good, and he's gonna keep going.
All right, so let's open one of each box type first, Matt. You be the one, the deliverer.
All right, I'll be the
So
deliverers.
start on 42, and then we'll do a 43 or 44. We'll work our way up.
Okay,
I think
open
one
with
of those
key.
is worth something.
Guys, we'll get the wheel spins done in a minute. I owe you a wheel spin, and y'all keep an eye on if I owe you another one. All right, here we go.
We're sure.
I'm
We're
sure. I haven't done this in forever.
Oh my gosh, is it nostalgic? You got
Oh,
it right.
a rake.
Oh wait, it's strange. Hold on.
It's
Hold on.
strange.
Hold on. Let's look it up.
Strange back
I think
scratcher.
the little X link will show us like where it ranks in there. Does it?
Ooh, this one's only worth about 17 cents.
Aw.
17 cents. Hey, we're moving on.
All right, what
It
next?
has a kill count though. Prepare for me to use that in our games. All right, 43. We did 42.
Open with the key, I am sure.
Alrighty.
This can't get any. Oh, God, it's getting
Oh,
worse.
strange.
Strange.
That's a scout weapon, right?
Yep.
It is.
Scout pistol. It's like
The shortstop.
All right, now 44. We have a lot of 44.
This one's worth 60 cents.
Let's do this one.
Oh, that's the one. It calls to you. It calls to me.
Oh, we got a hat.
Ooh, a hat with no name.
Ooh, but
Well,
it's
I
just
don't know what to call that hat. You can't look it up, dude. It's got no name.
Yankee with no brand?
no name. This one is worth. Ooh, this one's about 4 cents.
Wow.
Dang,
All right, can I go to
we're going
45?
down.
All right, we got a 4. Oh, we got 345s. Let's do.
Second one.
Yeah, second one. All right,
That's the one.
there we go. Yep, I'm sure.
Unusual.
All right, unusual. I like how it literally
strange.
pops in behind it. You see how like it was too big to fit in the
Hey, it's a
font?
small indie game.
Yeah, small indie game. I forget about that.
This one's worth about like 9 cents.
Oh, great.
Currently, we're down a lot of money. It's okay,
We're not looking great.
All right, 40.
Oh, like 30 bucks.
But all it takes is one.
All right, so
good
you want a
hat.
47?
Yeah. Oh, 47 is actually my lucky number. So maybe we come back and open a second one after.
All right.
Let's go ahead and open one of them.
All right,
Because I don't know. We've opened 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have a few keys left. We'll go through 2 of those, I think.
here we go.
Come on, unusual, baby, unusual. Oh,
Oh, strange
Is
flamethrower.
the original one? in
Yeah, that is the
Strange?
original.
You know, I never realized that's literally just a gas.
It is just a gas nozzle.
I never realized
42 cents.
that.
Huh?
Hey, look at that.
All right, so you want a 49?
49er? Yeah, let's
To the end.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense to me. Alrighty. hey, another one.
Oh,
Oh,
strange,
it's a strange OG, yeah.
No, I'm gonna get all the strange originals. I'll go with that.
There you go.
Like
Okay.
vanillas, alright.
You got 92 cents.
Hey, we're
Mm.
rich. We're rich.
Dude, that's
All
like
right.
almost half a
Damn,
key.
bro.
All right, so 83
good.
or 55?
How many do we have left? You have the where it says new. I think that'll show me how many I have. Okay, we
Yeah,
have 4
4
left.
left.
Cool.
Which ones were worth? Some of these are like worth
Where
more
we at?
because they have better number
So
2
that's why we're opening
probably.
one of each. So that way we're gonna, no matter what, we're gonna open one of the expensive.
Okay.
All right, so which one next?
83.
80?
Actually, let's go in order. 55 then 83. Go ahead.
All right, 55. Chat, can we get some good luck in chat for this one?
Good lucks in chat.
Good luck, please, guys. Come on.
Chat, say good luck, please,
Like,
chat.
be good sports,
Yeah,
guys.
Open it and at the same time do a wheel spin. Let's find out if we can.
Oh yeah, that'd be crazy. All right,
God.
all right, here we go. You spin the wheel as soon as I hit open.
We
key,
love
we'll see.
gambling.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Okay, we're
again,
screwed.
again,
3,
again.
2, 1. Yeah.
Oh shit!
I put it on the
Oh
ground.
my god.
Oh,
Strange pain.
it broke.
You
that did-
broke the wheel?
Oh, it kind of didn't. Okay.
It did or didn't?
Okay,
You
that
can
did.
hold
Oof.
it, but it won't sit on its own now.
Oh my god, this is like the worst one. It was 7
We're in
cents.
Oh,
shambles.
God.
That
Oh.
makes sense. We didn't have a good. We didn't
This
have
was all bad. What did we get on the wheel?
I don't know.
God.
It's a respin, whatever it was.
Yeah, that's okay.
So for those watching on DIY, we have this wheel for the stream. If you donate, we can spin it and possibly shots, gift cards, things like that. Come on.
All right, so 83.
Yep.
Chad.
3.
Here we go. Open with key. This one looks
This
big.
one looks cooler. I don't know why, but it's cool. Kill
Gambling
streak
is
stuff. I don't
tearing
know if
us
kill streak
apart.
stuff is cooler or
That's
not.
so true.
That looks weird.
Kill Streak Uber Saw Kit.
I don't know anything about that.
Lets you add kills.
Uber saw? Oh, I spelled it wrong.
Kill streak Uber saw kit.
Uh-oh. This one... Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's why. Uber. Oh my god, I spelled it wrong again, dude. There's something wrong with me.
Can you just have a kill
I don't
streak?
think he's okay.
And then you, I think you probably do it.
I'm only finding kill streak ended.
It's rare. It's rare.
It's rare.
It may not have been tradable.
Let me just type in
It may not
Uber.
be tradable.
Oh, you think so?
Alright, yeah, you can click on that one. See, it's covered. It's tradable. Good. Tradable after. Okay, so it is tradable. I don't know why.
Oh my god, dude! If you had the collector's version, it's worth $32.
What's this version? 2 cents.
It is tradable.
It's
Oh, it's on. It's a
The Steam
one-time.
market for 50 cents.
Too
late.
Alright, cool.
Oh, that's to where you can add. Like, okay, I get it. So you can
Another
you can make
47.
something kill streak.
All right, another 47. Here we go. Boom.
This is the one. This is my lucky.
This is the one. This is the one. Oh.
Another strange foot door.
No way. I didn't even.
Exact same roll. What are the odds of that?
And that's
Alright.
the one that was only worth.
Do we have one more?
I think we have one more. You don't have to check.
42
Just do it until it
cents.
stops us.
All right, which one do you want then?
Honestly.
You should go early.
Chat, what number? What number do we do?
44, 45, or 49? Chat, what do we want?
44, 45, 49.
Chat, tell me. What do you want? 49, 45. I see a lot of 45s. All right,
That's 3 people were fast.
All right.
45. Then,
there's just 2. Which one? Top or bottom?
ooh, top or bottom? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
I've always been a bottom.
I've always been a bottom.
I'm sure. This is it. This is it. Unusual.
Oh, strange sticky ball and
Sticky
I
launcher.
think all of the strange versions are like the vanilla items. Can you get strange versions?
Of the
Alright,
what?
Just try to open the California Sea Cakes with stuff.
Get a key.
Oh yeah, get a key and open. So yeah.
Yep.
That was it.
That was the opening, guys.
Don't you want to put more money in? We could double it.
Shout out to Toasty DIY. Hey, how you guys doing? If you guys enjoy us throwing our money into a fire, leave a like down below and subscribe to Toasty DIY for more random content like this. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace.